Here's a positive emotion for you, enthusiasm. Now let me tell you, there's a big difference between enthusiasm and excitement. When you see people get excited when something good happens, I guarantee you, if you watch that person, when something bad happens, they're going to get depressed. See, the opposite of excitement is depression. And you're going to find when something good happens, they get excited. Something bad happens, they're down. Why? Because they're letting what goes on outside control them. Now, enthusiasm is something totally different. Enthusiasm comes from the Greek entheos, in God. That's where you are emotionally involved in an idea and you move into the spirit of it. And you're going to find your energy just keeps going up and up and up, and the vibration just keeps rising. Now, understand this. The more you raise the level of vibration, you're getting up into the thin air. You're getting up where the big ideas are. You're getting up where the creative ideas are. You've got to become truly enthusiastic about what you're doing. And as you do, you're putting your whole being into a phenomenal vibration. Get enthused. Get in theos. Get in tune with the universal side of yourself. Let that quiet voice within tell you where to go. And then fall in love with that idea. Enthusiasm is, without question, being in tune with that which is the higher side of you. Understand there's perfection within you, and you're letting it come to the surface. Get rid of the excitement, and you'll get rid of the depression. Get into the enthusiasm, and you're going to live a pretty balanced life. You're going to keep moving all the time. You're not going to let things rustle your feathers, and you're going to attract some real good stuff into your life.